Hello everyone. In this particular session, we are going to solve 5 questions which were asked in previous year RBI Assistant exams. So this is like set 8 and we have already uploaded 7 sets in our channel. If you're not yet watched, I will give the link in the description. Please watch it. Now, without wasting the time, we'll move to the first one. So pause the video and try to solve this video by yourself. Done. So hope you would have solved this one. Now let's solve this particular question. The total number of workers in the factory Y and Z is 1980 and factory X has 40% more workers than factory Y, while factory Z has 180 more workers than factory X. So there are 3 factories X, Y, Z, and factory X has how much percentage more? 40% more workers than factory Y. So let me consider. So in factory Y, 5A members are there. Then in factory X, 7A members will be there. And factory Z has 180 workers more than X. So in factory Z, it will be like 7A plus 180. And we already know total number of employees or workers in Y and Z is 1980. So 5A plus 7A is 12A. So 12A plus 180 is equal to 1980. So if I bring this 180 to right hand side, so 1980 minus 180, 1800. So we'll be getting 12A is equal to 1800. So A will be 150. Okay. Now what we need to find? Calculate the percentage by which number of workers in factory Z exceeds the number of workers in factory Y. So how much it is like exceeding? 2A plus 180. So what is the value of A? 150. So 2A plus 180. So if you substitute the value of A is like 150. 2 into 150, 300. So 300 plus 180, 480 divided by workers in factory Y, that is 5A. So 5 into 150 into 100. Okay. Anyhow, it is going to get cancelled. So 0 and 0. Next thing, if I cancel by 3 table, this is like 16 times and this is like 5 times. So 5 and 5, 25, and here 100, 4 times. So 16 into 4, you'll be getting 64. Okay. So answer for this particular question is like 64%. Okay, fine. So next one, pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Hope you would have solved this one. Now let's solve this particular question. A vessel contains a mixture of milk and water in 640 liters in the ratio of milk and water 3:1. So totally, what is the mixture? 640. So this has the mixture of which two things? Milk and water. Okay. So what is the ratio of milk and water? 3:1. So 640 divided in the ratio 3:1. So how much it will be? So how to find it? So 640 into 3 by 4. This is one time and this is like 160. Okay, 160 into 3, 480. So 480 is like liters of milk and 160 will be like water. Okay, now what happens? 25% of the mixture taken out and replaced by same amount of water. Okay, so and replaced by same amount of water. The process is repeated one more time. Then find the final value of milk in the mixture. So what is the initial value of milk? 480. Okay, so in this 25% is going to taken out. So what will be the remaining? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 will be the remaining. So how many times it is like this process repeated? So it is repeated one more time, that is total 2 times. So into 3 by 4. Okay, so this is one time and this is like 120. Again, this is one time and this is like 30. So 30 into 3, 90. So 90 into 3, 270. So the final value of milk in the mixture is like 270 liters. Okay, fine. Next one, pause this video and try to solve it by yourself. Hope you would have solved. Now let's solve this particular one. So Ramya can complete a work in 40 days. If she works for 15 days alone and completed the remaining work working with Paul in 10 days. In how many days both Ramya and Paul together can complete the whole work? Okay, so here, what is the total number of days taken by who? Ramya? 40. So 40 are. And if she works alone for how many days? 15 days. So this is nothing but total work. Okay, so 15 are. Okay, this is like for 15 days Ramya is working alone. So after that, what happens? Ramya is joining with Paul and the work is completed in 10 days. That means again 10 days Ramya is working with whom? Paul. Okay, now what is 15 hour plus 10 hour? 25 hour. So if I bring this 25 hour to left hand side, you'll be getting 40 hour minus 25 hour, which is 15 hour. So 15 hour is equal to, so this is like Paul, sorry. Okay, equal to 10 Paul. So what will be Ramya by Paul's efficiency or ratio? It will be like 10 by 15, which is 2 and 3. Now, what we need to find, in how many days both Ramya and Paul work together can complete the whole work. So what is the total work? 40 hours. So what is the value of R? 2. So 40 into 2 divided by, if both the person, that is Ramya and Paul, worked together, how much work? 5 part. Okay, so 5. So this is 1 time and this is like 8 times. So 8 2s are 16. So answer for this particular question will be like 16. Okay, next. So pause this video and try to solve it by yourself. Hope you would have solved this. Now let's solve this particular question. Karthi invested equal amount of money in two schemes A and B. He invested in scheme A at X% per annum simple interest and in scheme B X plus 3% per annum simple interest. Okay, so he is investing in how many schemes? Two schemes A and B. So what part of the amount? Equal amount. So what we'll be doing, there are two schemes A and B. In both the cases is in, let me assume like 100% of the amount. Okay, and in scheme A, what is the rate of interest? X% per annum, and scheme B X plus 3% per annum. Okay, if the difference of interest received from both the schemes after 2 years is 1440. So what is the time period? 2 years. So if you observe here X and here X plus 3. Okay, so what is the difference in percentage? 3%. So in 1 year the difference is like 3%. That means in 2 years it will be like 6%. So this 6% is nothing but difference in the interest, 1440. What is the total amount invested by Karthi? So he is investing how much? 200%. Okay, so 200% equal to how much? Okay, so we'll cancel this by 2 table, sorry, by 3 table. It is like 2, and here it will be like how much? It will be like 480. So that is 2% is 480 in the sense 200%, that is you have to multiply by 100. So 480 into 100 will be getting 48,000. So answer for this particular question will be like 48,000. Next one. So pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Okay, so now let's solve this particular one. So Vivan and Naveen sold their bags at 3,600 each. Vivan allows X% discount while Naveen allows 55% discount. If the ratio of marked prices of Vivan and Naveen is respectively 9:5, then find the value of X. Okay, so Vivan, Naveen. So selling price is same. So how to find the selling price? Marked price into 100 minus discount percentage. Okay, so here what is the marked price? So for V1 it is like 9 and for Naveen it is like 5. Okay, and how much percentage discount V1 is giving? X%. That means he will be selling it for 100 minus X%. And what about Naveen? 55%. So it's just 100 minus 55. So 9 into 100 minus X% is equal to 5 into 45%. Okay, so now, so 1 time and this is like 5 times. So what is 5 5 is 25. So 100 minus X will be like 25. So what will be the value of X? So value of X will be 75%. That means Vivan is selling the bag at 75% discount. Okay, so answer for this particular question is like 75. Hope you don't like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.